Next, you will need to decide on the Amazon product, single Amazon product you will move forward with. So at this stage, you should have 3 potential Amazon markets / products, and I'm hoping that the suppliers for each of these products that you found on Alibaba.com will have replied, and based on that information, you will know now which one you should move forward with. So it's obviously based on everything, all the research that was done, the potential profit per sale, the traffic volume, the audience on Facebook, the competition, bestseller rank, and really whether also there are suppliers that you can effectively deal with, because a lot of it's down to, even if it's a really good product opportunity and the traffic's good and everything else sort of fits the bill, if you have an unreliable or difficult supplier, it just makes everything very difficult. So it is important to assess whether the suppliers will be easy to work with when you're making this decision. But you need to make a decision, so it's really just follow your gut, I think, and just move forward with whichever product you think has the most potential. If you have any issues in choosing, then again you can of course contact me, and I can help you through this. Okay.